Hi everyone! In this video we will show you how to install and how to use Coinomi wallet. First, go to Coinomi website. Choose to download for iOS, here we choose Windows. Then download it and start the installation. Click on Create New Wallet. The wallet will generate a seed phrase that you need to store in a safe place. Here, we paste it in a dock on the computer, but it's obvious that you don't do it at home. Choose a paper instead, for example, and store it in a safe place. Click on Next. The second layer of protection is a password. Please choose a strong one and keep it separately from your seed. Click on Next. You can add coins now or later anytime. We will choose Bitcoin and Horizen wallet. Click on Next, on Accept, and then the wallet is generated. Now we can copy the done address and go on the faucet to try this wallet. We already made videos on this subject. Now, one very important thing. If you check the bulk height on Zen Explorer, you will notice that the Coinomi wallet is not up to date. So, your transaction won't show up immediately. You need to go on the setting to click on Resynchronize All. This should be done from time to time if you don't use your wallet so often. You can see that all transactions arrived as your wallet is synchronized with the blockchain. Now, let's send some Zen from Swing wallet to Coinomi wallet. So, copy your Zen address on the Coinomi wallet. We already speak about Swing wallet on a previous video. You can watch it to know how to do. When the transaction is confirmed, you can see it in both wallets. We hope that you enjoyed the video and have a nice experience on Coinomi.